the perfect MACD strategy for easy win, which you can use to grow your small trading account. How much do you have in your trading account? This particular strategy will help you to grow your small trading account using this simple indicator, the MACD, and the combination of price action. So here is the setting for the indicator. This is the MACD. As you can see, you can go ahead to screenshot this and save it on your phone and do your setting. Here is our RSI. The period is 6. You apply it to close. And here is the levels. Level 9, 10, 20 and 80. Each of this level, you set it, you click on save, and you will be ready to trade. This strategy is for growing a small account, and the best recommended asset for you to grow small account is crash 1000, crash 500 and boom 500. So if you want to use this strategy to grow your small account size, trade crash 1000, crash 500 and boom 500. Looking at this, as you can see now, this is crash 1000. So what is the first condition for trading? First thing, come to your 1 hour and you will determine what is the trend of the market. Now you must know that what we do is for us to combine price action together with this our indicator to make entry, and basically our trading strategy is scalping. So we will not be holding trade long in the market. We are not holding trade long in the market. So we'll pick our profit within 10 to 50 minutes, we leave. Okay? So look at the account size. This account size is $4.17. So why do we do this? This is H1. And if you look at this, if you look at the price movement on H1, you realize that price is in an uptrend. This is 4-hour time frame. And on this 4-hour time frame, price is in an uptrend. You can see, connect your trend line, price is an uptrend. So now I have determined my trend, and since price is in an uptrend, I will only be buying. So your entry will be on a 15-minute or on a 5-minute. Another way to determine your trend is for you to use your MACD. If you come to H4 time frame or 1 hour time frame, this line you are seeing, is the MACD histogram line. And if you look at the line, you realize that there is a level here, 0, right? Here is the 0 line. So anytime the MACD histogram line is above the 0, is forming above the 0, it simply means momentum of the buyers. That means it's a buy trade. It's an uptrend. So this will show you the momentum of the market. That is what the histogram line of the MACD does. This strategy is very powerful. All you need to do is follow everything that I'll be showing you in this video, and you will grow your small trading capital. So now that I have explained that to you, the next thing we want to see is that we already know our trend. So I will move now to my 50-minute time frame for me to make my entry. So on my 50-minute time frame, I mark my trend line this way. This is my trend line. So I want to see price break out of my trend line. And now that price has break out of my trend line, I want the candle that break out of my trend line to close above the trend line. Right? So I will be waiting for this candle to close. That is for 15 minutes, or I go to 5 minutes. I can make this entry on any of the time frame. The signal is already out on 5 minutes. So since I am using a small account size, I will now open a lot size of 0.25 and I will close 0.2. I'll edit it and I close 0.2. Okay, so now that I've closed my 0.2, I will set my stop loss. My stop loss is at the previous low. So this is my stop loss. Now, how do I make this entry? I make this entry because of this. Look at the condition for making this entry. The MACD histogram line will show the strength of the market. The momentum has to form above the level of 0. This is 0 here. And you can see now that this has formed above the 0. You can see the histogram line. So that is the momentum for me to buy. Because I have checked my trend on a 1 hour time frame and it is a buy trend. So, and then I am now making my buy entry. So I will be waiting. Now if I want to use my 15-minute entry, I will be doing the same thing. I will wait for price to cross above this 0 and then the MACD histogram line will begin to form above the 0. In that case, I will be making my buy entry. So this is exactly how I will be making my trade. So this strategy is very, very powerful and it can be used to grow any small account size. In the next video, I will show you how this account has grown trading this strategy. And I believe you have learned something new from this video. So where do I take my profit? This is a scalping strategy. You will not be holding the trade for too long. So between 15 to 20 minutes, I will close my trade. I will look for another opportunity and I will do the same thing. This is crash 500. Now look at this momentum. Let me show you something on crash 1000. Now look at on crash 1000. There is a pullback. This histogram line has pulled back to around the level of 0. So we are expecting it to begin to make new one and begin to go up. But let me show you something on crash 500. Now look at crash 500. The momentum, the histogram is still at above the 80 to 90 zone. So when H1 is above 80 and 90 zone, you don't look for entry there to buy. So even if we come to our 15-minute time frame, look at these two, we do not have a signal. We want this to move above this and begin to go up for us to be able to buy. 5 minutes, you can see that the 5 minute too did not give us a signal. So this is to show you how powerful and how effective this strategy is. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell as I will be giving you good strategy on how you can make money trading the financial market. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, please comment and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.